If you're looking for a delicious St. Patrick's Day dessert, then keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, in honor of St. Patrick's Day, I have another delicious dessert recipe for you. We are going to be making a grasshopper pie. I got this recipe over from Taste at Home. I will link it in the description box. So let's jump right in. All right, my friends, so I'm going to start with the pie crust. I just took the lid off of it and totally forgot to show it to you. This pie crust, you're looking for a chocolate pie crust. This one has nuts in it. I could not find just plain chocolate at my grocery store, so I had to get this one. So please note it just says nut pie crust. So keep an eye out. If you have allergies or if you're taking this to a party, you want to make sure you get just the chocolate. Mine said nut on there, and honestly, you don't even see it at first. So I just want to make you aware of that. We have some cream cheese. I have some sweetened condensed milk. Some grasshopper mint and fudge cookies. The recipe calls for the chocolate cookie mint cookies, but unfortunately they only have the mint and chocolate, or fudge I mean, and it's gonna be good. I have some whipped topping and I have some green food coloring. So that is all the ingredients. Now let's get started. All right friends, so I put 16 cookies in here and we're just going to break these up. It said to coarsely crush them. So that's what we're doing. And then you're going to use, I believe it's 24 cookies. We're going to top it, I believe. And then this is going to go inside. But I want to get this done before I get everything started, just so this is ready. And I don't have to, whoa! Came open or I didn't have it closed. One of the two. And these break very easy, as you can see. Alrighty, now let's go ahead and move over to our mixing bowl. Alright, my friends, so I have 6 ounces. We're not using the whole block, only 6 ounces of cream cheese. We're going to go ahead and whip that up until it is soft, and then we'll go ahead and add in the condensed milk. Alrighty. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and add in our sweetened condensed milk. Definitely should let my cream cheese sit out a tad bit longer and soften up. But it is what it is. I should have used my smaller spatula. This one keeps getting caught on the rim inside. Okay. Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and mix this together. Alrighty, let me get the rest of the ingredients and we'll go ahead and mix it together. Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and put in our food coloring. It says to put in about 15 drops. I think I got way more than that. Alrighty. You can beat it together or you can just mix it like this. Does not matter. Probably beating it together probably would work better. But I've already put that away. Ooh, look at that, friends. How pretty. Alrighty, now we're gonna go ahead and take our coarse, crushed, whatever you call it. Added our cookies. Friends, I wish you could smell this. It smells absolutely delicious. Oh man, I'm not a big mint person, but I'm telling you, oh my goodness. Ooh. Alrighty, now we're gonna add in 2 cups of our whipped topping. Oh my goodness. Probably should have used a spoon, huh? And then we're going to just mix that over like that until it's mixed well. Make sure you get that mixed really well. And we are going to need to put this in the freezer overnight. So we'll have to do our taste test. For you it'll be in a second, but for me it'll be the next day. Alright my friends, we are now mixed. Now we're going to go ahead and put it right in our pie crust. Oh my goodness, I probably could have bought 2 pie crusts. This is going to be huge. And I called for 1. Shame I don't have another one. I could have done 2. Alrighty. Oh my gosh. We're going to go ahead and cover it up. I'm going to put it in my freezer overnight, and then tomorrow we'll go ahead and cut it and do our taste test, and we'll put the rest of the cookies on top of it after it comes out of the freezer. So I will see you shortly. All right, my friends, it is the next day and our pie is out of the freezer. We're going to go ahead, put our little topping on it and do a taste test. So let's go ahead and add it. Alrighty, I'm just going to go ahead and put a little cookie right in there. I crushed up the remainder of my cookies. We're just going to add those right around the top. We'll put that right in the middle. Alrighty, let's go ahead, cut into it and see what we think. Alright my friends, so here is a slice. I'll put some pictures at the end of the pie. So let's go ahead and take a bite. Mmm. That is good. Oh my. Mm-hmm. It's a keeper. And Jean's tasting some too. She just said it's a keeper. This is really good, friends. Really, really good. And so easy to make. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. Also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.